I could get used to late nights dancing my face. I could get used to long.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Good morning. It's happy Saturday. So this is my first weekend na nag-work ako from home or remotely. So today there's that I am going to attend. I will try my best to give you some clips ng events na yon. And hopefully, ma-upload ko siya because I'm not sure. I think I need to do some disclaimer about it. But that's something new to me. Actually, hindi ko na siya i-sugarcoat, okay? So, I'm doing a forex trading and I started back in May. And I stopped for quite a while kasi naging busy ako sa travel namin, and at the same time dumating yung family ko here in Dubai. So I stopped for a while kasi alam mo yun, I need a focus to do this kind of trading, of course. And now I am back. Actually, isang linggo pa lang akong nag-start mag-trading, and I'm just so happy. Really, this is one of my best decision that I made. Siguro it's not siguro. I hope in the long run, I can say na life-changing siya when it comes to financial freedom. Because for me, personally, hindi ganun ka-easy ang pera pagdating sa akin. And I really work hard where I am right now. And lahat yun talagang sobrang kayod as an OFW. And this is really something that makakatulong sa akin financially. Especially sa mga breadwinner na katulad natin. And I'm happy in that position na breadwinner sa family. I'm just happy helping my family. And yeah. So today, kagigising lang natin guys. And I need to do my lemon. Sira na siya. But I think sa labas lang naman to. Still okay. Actually, nabili ko na to mga 3 weeks ago. But still okay. So, I'm still injured after kong mag-bowling. Actually, 1 month ago na yon. After kong mag-bowling, sumakit yung braso ko. The whole braso talaga. And hindi ko siya maigalaw ng walang sakit. And hindi ko kayang mag-lift ng mga mabibigat na bagay. Kumbaga, hindi ko to magamit nang hindi ako magpupwersa. So, kailangan minimal lang yung movement niya. Actually, dinala ko na siya sa doktor, but I'm not satisfied. Siguro makaka-relate yung mga taga UA dito na hindi ka minsan convinced when it comes to meeting a doctor, especially kapag ang ginagamit mo is medical insurance from the company. So yeah, hindi man lang niya hinawakan or kinapa kung nagsuswell ba siya, pero obviously it was swelling. Now hindi na siya masyadong nagsuswell. So pero ramdam mo pa rin yung sakit kapag ginalaw. Ang estimation or conclusion ng doktor was na-stretch yung tendon. And binigyan niya lang ako ng gel, na topical gel, something like that. Tapos sabi niya, advice niya na mag-put ng cold compress, which I have done and nothing changed. So the other day, 2 days ago, nagpunta ako ng massage center. Actually, sila na yung ginagamit ko, I think 7 years or 8 years na. And yung humahawak sa akin doon or nagmamassage sa akin, she just focused in this side, and after that, naging okay naman. So far, okay siya hanggang ngayon. But I'm still taking a painkiller kasi yun din yung suggestion niya, to take a muscle painkiller, like relax, para lang ma-relax yung muscle or tendons, ganun. So I got this one. Medyo pricey siya. Asan yung price? Sorry. So 73 dirhams siya. So I'm taking this 3 times a day. And yeah, so far okay naman. So since hindi nga ako nakakapagpuwersa, gumagamit ako nito para sa lemon. Ayan, lagay ko lang siya dyan. Ayan na siya. Ouch. Set aside ko to para magamit ko pa siya. Then nag-add ako ng honey. So I'll be preparing Shanklis. That's it's Shaipura. So this is Shanklis cheese. And then isang tomato and onion. So simula nung natutunan ko yung paggawa nito, ako na yung laging gumagawa. Kasi gusto ko yung pino lang yung hiwa niya. Actually, ang traditional na ginagawa nila is malalaki yung hiwa. And for me, I want the fine. So, sa aming mag-asawa, when I'm preparing breakfast, ako talaga gumagawa. This become my favorites sa breakfast. And meron pang partner to. Fun facts, guys. Itong pagkain na to, ang partner nila is bread. But since Pilipina nga tayo, syempre, rice is life, di ba? So, ang partner dito sa akin is rice. Yun lang naman, ma-share lang. And then, of course, aside from this, meron din siyang partner na boiled egg. 3. And then, meron din akong isa pang partner na Arabic dish. Yun yung tinatawag nilang ma'dus. But this is an homemade. Ginawa to ng aking yanan. Ano lang yan? Eggplant na merong fillers sa loob. Walnuts and what's the other one?
Garlic, chili.
Walnuts, garlic, and chili. Onion para isang cheese. Ang itsura nito is para siyang itlog. So, my husband just cut it off. Pero hindi ako, ano ba yun? Paano nagiging check ko ako? Hindi ko gusto yung yung ganito. I need to find for that. Ita-toppings ko lang to. So, after mag-garnish, in-mix mo lang. But then, you need to add the olive oil. Okay guys, so nandito na ako sa sasakyan. Actually, time check, it's 1:43 in the afternoon at napakainit. 45 degrees siya right now, but I'm not sure what's the real feel. Ano nga bang real feel? No, it's 1:40 p.m. Medyo malayo yung office ng pupuntahan natin. It's from end to end. I'm not saying it's end to end like border ng Dubai and Abu Dhabi, but almost there. So, pupunta tayo ng Jumeirah Lake Towers, that JLT in short. We were gonna see the team. Team ko siya from Forex Trading. And I will try na makapagkuha ng mga short clips lang if they will allow me to post it in my YouTube account. Yeah, so let's go. So it will take for me 30 minutes drive from Maldives to JLT. Napaka-gloomy ng weather ngayon. Baka it reach 46 degrees. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. So, nasa 46 degrees. I wanna share something pa about, i-share ko lang because currently I'm driving nga, diba? Most of the time sa Dubai, I don't use Google Maps or Waze. I don't know kung may mga makaka-relate sa akin. I am driving here in Dubai for 2014, like 11 years now. And nung mga time na yon, nung 2014 when I started driving, I can't remember kung meron na bang Google Map that time. I'm not sure. Yan ang problema sa akin eh. I'm not good in remembering stuff. Yeah, I can't remember na gumagamit ako ng Google Map dati. Okay. Going back, kasi ikot ko talaga, kumbaga pasok ko yung bawat iskinita, mostly sa Dubai. And every time na may pupuntahan ako, gumagana na yung imagination ko kung saan yung daan na pupuntahan ko. Well, sabi nga nung asawa ko, kaya niya madalas gamitin ang Google Map dahil he just wanted to make it sure na yung way na yon is not crowded or it's not traffic. But for me, come on. Yeah, bago siya umalis ng bahay, i-check niya yung Google Map. So of course, nung time na yon, na-check niya yung Google Map, hindi pa crowded, 'di ba? But by the time na ma-reach mo yung yung road na yon, for sure it's either crowded or no. So minsan naman, ginagawa ko yun when the timing is so tight na, kumbaga, alam kong malilate na ako at gagahulin na ako sa oras. At least magka-idea lang ako. But mostly sa location or kung ano yung dadaanan mo, yung best way, hindi. Iniisip ko na lang, ini-imagine ko na lang na dito ako dadaan. Ito yung shortest way, dito yung mas kabisado ko. So, yun. Ma-share ko lang. I'm not using much Google Map. But in Philippines, for sure, I've been away like 2 decades na sa Pilipinas. And hindi naman ako nagda-drive kahit noon pa sa Pinas. I just started driving sa Pilipinas, I think nung nakabili ako ng unang sasakyan ko sa Pilipinas way back 2018. And yet naibenta ko rin sa kapatid ko kasi financially unstable ako that time. And just thankful kasi nandiyan yung kapatid ko na sumalo. Kasi sa Pilipinas hindi ganun kadaling magbenta. Siguro may mabibentahan ka but babarating ka, diba? And yeah, so hindi ako masyado. Nung mga recent na uwi ko, nagre-rent kami ng sasakyan and I do drive sometimes, pero most of the time yung ate ko naman ang nagda-drive. Siya naman ang driver ng family way back naman sa Pilipinas. So yeah, i-share ko lang. I'm here now in Jeddah and the training will start at 2. Nandito pa rin ako kasi naman nagda-drive lang ako ng 100. So I'll see you later, guys. Magpo-focus lang ako ng driving. nag-vlog ka na ba? So, tapos na. Hindi.
Today is learning, right? Learning, reading, yung talaga makita mo yung
Hey guys, so I'm done with the training, forex trading training. Inabot din siya ng 2 hours and a half. Nag-start yata kami around almost 3 p.m. na. And it's already 5:14. And yeah, it's really good training. May mga nami-miss kasi ako minsan. Sometimes when you are trading alone, may mga strategy ka na kailangan mo rin talaga ng community, and that's the good thing with B company or B club. They are providing all of this learning, kumbaga. And yeah, I'm driving to home. Gutom na ako. Can you take me a picture? Hey guys, so it's another Sunday, so another gala. So we're here, currently we are here at Bloom, here in Dubai Mall. And yeah, we were just gonna have lunch. So it feels like just riding. We are just riding a train in Switzerland, which is really good. Oh, that's for the main dish. Thank
Do you have any kind of bread?
Bread curry.
caramelize it. And also this time, when you make the baby show, make properly. Consider money for marketing. Even if you put how you
Yeah. There's a lot of
see it.
you make it 0.5?
No, check. Good, no?
Oh.
Good?
No, not